Welcome to my channel. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike brings an exceptional level of customization possibilities to the rider. Unlike many stock trikes on the market, Honda has made it easy for users to tailor the trike to their preferences through a variety of accessories including touring luggage, comfort upgrades, tech enhancements, and cosmetic finishes. Buyers can choose between several color schemes ranging from deep metallic reds and blues to sleek, blacked-out editions that offer a more aggressive visual presence. LED lighting kits are also available as optional upgrades, which not only improve visibility at night but also add a striking aesthetic to the trike, making it stand out in any lineup. Comfort features on the 2025 Gold Wing Trike extend beyond the usual expectations. The heating system is not limited to the seat but also includes heated grips and optional foot-warming vents, allowing riders to stay comfortable during colder months or early morning rides. The trike's suspension settings are also adjustable, depending on load weight or riding conditions, which means a solo rider and a fully loaded 2-up tour will both feel balanced and smooth. Airflow management around the cockpit has been fine-tuned using wind tunnel testing to reduce turbulence, enhancing both ride comfort and fuel efficiency. Honda has also paid particular attention to ergonomics with the 2025 Gold Wing Trike. The handlebar position allows for a natural arm angle and does not require any hunching or leaning forward. Foot placement is wide and comfortable, and the passenger seating has been designed to mimic a luxury armchair, complete with contoured cushioning and elevated seating height to maintain good visibility. This is a machine built for long days on the road, and every control is placed within easy reach to reduce fatigue over time. Even the foot-operated reverse lever in the manual version is positioned for easy access. For riders who enjoy high-end audio experiences, the Gold Wing Trike is equipped with a refined speaker system that delivers rich sound even at high speeds. The 2025 model features improved speaker placements and sound dampening that helps block out engine and wind noise, making it easier to enjoy music, calls, or navigation prompts. Bluetooth and USB connectivity allow seamless device integration and also offer voice control functionality, meaning riders can manage calls or music without taking their hands off the handlebars. Navigation and mapping features in the 2025 Gold Wing Trike have also been upgraded. The onboard GPS system now offers real-time traffic updates, rerouting, and point-of-interest alerts, including gas stations, hotels, and rest stops. The interface is intuitive and can be controlled through touch or handlebar-mounted buttons. Depending on the rider's preference, the map screen is high-resolution and visible even in bright sunlight. While nighttime mode reduces glare during evening rides, voice-guided directions are clear and synchronized with the trip computer, offering a seamless touring experience. From a maintenance standpoint, Honda has designed the 2025 Gold Wing Trike to be as low effort as possible. Oil changes, air filter replacements, and brake pad inspections are all straightforward and require minimal disassembly. The onboard diagnostics system alerts the rider to any performance irregularities and recommends service intervals through the LCD interface. For those who prefer to handle maintenance themselves, Honda also provides detailed manuals and digital tutorials to simplify the process. This makes the trike an attractive option for both first-time owners and seasoned riders who enjoy taking care of their machines. The frame and structural design of the Gold Wing Trike are built with rigidity and balance in mind. The frame is made from lightweight, yet high-strength aluminum, providing the perfect balance of strength and weight savings. This structure also plays a role in improving stability at high speeds and during cornering. The wide rear axle keeps the vehicle grounded even when riding through crosswinds or on sloped highways. Combined with Honda's legendary build quality, this results in a trike that feels as solid at 10 miles per hour as it does at 100. In terms of rider safety, Honda has introduced a new suite of electronic rider aids in the 2025 model. These include cornering ABS, which adapts braking force based on lean angle, and a revised traction control system that reacts faster in sudden loss of grip scenarios. There is also a stability monitoring system that continuously checks wheel slip, steering, input, and speed to optimize ride dynamics. All these systems operate in the background without interfering with the natural ride feel, making the rider feel in control but also supported in challenging conditions. The seat height of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is set at approximately 29 inches, which provides easy ground access for most riders. Despite its large size, the low seat and carefully balanced weight distribution give the trike a surprisingly approachable feel even for shorter riders. The flat floorboards and low center of gravity further enhance control when maneuvering at low speeds or while parking. The built-in reverse and walk assist functions also give riders the confidence to navigate tight parking spaces or garage entries without stress. Lighting technology in the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is among the best in its class. The bike comes with full LED headlamps, tail lamps, and turn indicators that are brighter, more efficient, and longer lasting than conventional bulbs. Adaptive cornering lights are also part of the package, illuminating the road ahead as the bike leans into a turn. This not only improves nighttime visibility but also adds to the premium appeal of the vehicle. Brake lights are designed to flash during emergency stops, offering an extra layer of safety to warn vehicles behind. Another practical feature of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is its advanced security system. The smart key fob includes an that prevents unauthorized engine starts, and proximity sensors enable easy access without manually unlocking compartments or ignition. For riders parking in unfamiliar areas, the onboard alarm and tilt sensor system adds peace of mind. Honda also offers GPS tracking and remote monitoring features as optional upgrades for those who want maximum security. For their investment, as the demand for trikes continues to grow among touring enthusiasts and senior riders, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike stands out as a symbol of innovation and refinement. It successfully blends the spirit of traditional motorcycle touring with the stability and practicality of a three-wheeled layout. Whether you're embarking on a coast-to-coast journey or simply cruising through scenic routes on weekends, this machine offers unmatched levels of comfort, performance, and convenience. Honda has once again delivered a vehicle that honors its legacy while embracing the expectations of modern riders.